What's going on, guys? Today's haircut tutorial is going to be inspired by Jungkook from BTS, and I found the perfect model. This is Carl. Carl's been on my Instagram before. I've worked with him in the past. He's got an awesome Instagram page, which I'll link in my description, so you can go follow him and check him out. Really cool stuff with men's fashion and style. And today we're going to be doing the haircut that I'm getting so many requests for. I figured let me call him up and see how his hair is. And he's been growing his hair out because of quarantine and getting no haircuts and stuff. So his hair is actually perfect right now. So he has the really typical kind of Asian hair, perfectly straight. You're Filipino, right?
Yep.
100% Filipino. I've worked with many, this hair type throughout the years, so I'm very, very familiar with it. And what I want to do is just kind of break down what I'm doing today. And he has had various haircuts in the past, Jungkook, and he's had ones where it's a little bit longer, more towards the front. But I think what I want to do is create kind of like a low undercut where I'm going to buzz this down. I'm not going to go super short, but I am going to buzz this down around and through here, throughout the bottom, let the top hang over, and I'm going to kind of work and layer the shape in, and then we'll work throughout the top here. So I'm going to cut his hair, follow along, and then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so I'm going to break down the haircut. So this is one variation of his hair, of what I've seen it before, and I'm going to show you actually a different way of how to style it as well. But what I did is I created kind of a mini undercut. Let's turn this way a little bit and through here. So I only went, that high or so, especially with Asian hair because it's so thick. By doing that, it actually helps remove a lot of the bulk and the weight in through here. And that's what allowed me to get this a bit more softer and piecier down through here. Also because of the razor and the thinning shears that I used, it really helped me to really narrow this section down through here. Then I used the same guard down through here, which was a number 3 guard. And then I extended this down quite a little bit, nothing too crazy, in throughout the back here, creating a slight weight line because a lot of these guys seem to have some sort of a weight line. There's a little bit of an undercut right in through here. And then we brought this all the way around again to this side and through here. And then the front is probably about down to the bridge of the nose. So this is a way that you can wear it if you want to have it more in your face this way. I did layer the top, so it is important that you do get the top layered, right? If it's all one length, it's not going to have this type of movement. It's not going to have any sort of shape to it. It's all just really going to lay flat on the head. So you need to have some sort of layers. Now, what I've seen his hair like more recently is where it's a bit more of a part like this. And that's why I wanted to do this haircut. And it actually worked out perfectly because it's the same length of him having his hair a little bit longer, is that I just created a part and it's almost the identical, same exact look, right? So let's turn again. Nothing has changed. It's still the same haircut, tilt down a little. Now all I did was part it. I mean, it's pretty simple. Again, you can get that texture in through here. Let's spin so we can show the other side. Same thing, same texture in through here, and you can see it's got some nice movement, but now again, it's just parted. And then to dry Carl's hair, I used Tidal Wave, my sea salt spray, because again, on this hair texture, it's so silky smooth that you need to do something to kind of rough it up a bit and create some texture and pliability through it. So a Tidal Wave or a powder works great on this specific hair type. Blow dried it, and the haircut really in this situation is doing most of the work. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with Salon Guy.